Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today, and in this video we will be discussing about Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2021. So 32 children have been awarded with the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar in the year 2021. The award has been given to these children for their tremendous and outstanding accomplishments and exceptional abilities in fields including innovation, scholastics, sports, social services, arts, culture, and bravery. See, as per the statement of the Ministry of Women and Child Development, these awardees have been selected from the 32 districts of 21 states and union territories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually interacted with the awardees because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Basically, the award will help to motivate the children so as to push for excellence and get inspired to perform better. 7 awards were given in the field of art and culture, 9 in the field of innovation, and 5 awards in the field of scholastic achievements, while 7 children have won the award in sports category. 3 more children have been awarded for bravery and 1 child for her efforts in the social service. Now, what is Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar? See, the award is formally known as the National Child Award for Exceptional Achievement, and this is the highest civilian award in India that is given to the exceptional achievers under the age of 18. A child must be an Indian citizen and reside in India in order to get the award. The Ministry of Women and Child Development has instituted the Puraskar in the year 1996. This Puraskar recognizes the children with exceptional abilities and outstanding status in the fields including the arts, culture, academics, research, social service, design, innovation, and sports. The President of India confers the award in the week preceding the Republic Day, and the awardees also participate in the Republic Day parade. It is presented in the Darbar Hall of Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi, and the individual award comprises of a medal, cash prize of 1 lakh, citation, and a certificate. Now, who finalizes the name of the awardees? So, the name of the awardees for the award is finalized by the National Selection Committee, which is headed by the Ministry of Women and Child Development.